Welcome back to All Streets Gourmand. We've got a beautifully simple and delicious recipe for you, Shashuka. With fresh ingredients and topped triumphantly with an egg, it will surely delight. You're going to want to prepare your ingredients fully because this dish goes quickly and you don't want to stop. This includes prepping a half yellow onion, a handful of white mushrooms, a full red bell pepper, a handful of parsley, and 2 jalapenos. And to have it ready, slice your fresh French bread in advance. Start off with a little olive oil to medium heat. Then cook the yellow onions and mushrooms early so they have time to get golden and soft. Next, add the red bell and the jalapeno, likewise allowing them to soften a bit. You'll want to introduce the following spices, blending and mixing well for a few minutes, including a teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon each of paprika, turmeric, ground black pepper, and cayenne. Once this is thoroughly mixed and allowing to sit for a few minutes in this state, add in your full can of crushed tomatoes, and slightly different than other recipes, we're going to add in a half of a small can of tomato sauce, a squeeze of tomato paste, then a half can of water. A tip is always keep your spent can handy throughout your cooking. It comes in handy for reuse. After about 10 minutes, you're going to have a fragrant sauce. Spoon out a little nest for your eggs. In this case, we felt 3 eggs were best for the deep pan we were using. Then use a ramekin for the eggs as not to break the yolk prematurely. Reduce the heat, cover, and allow to rest while you work on the bread. Eggs will continue to cook, so monitor for desired firmness. In a separate pan, take your fresh French bread and cover with butter and garlic spread. We'll put those face down in a high to medium pan and allow them to brown on both sides. This will flavor and form a crispy foundation of your plating. We chose to plate with a simple salad and sprouts, 2 slices of bread, and carefully move your egg to the dish. We top with feta and parsley. Many online are saying this is a great breakfast dish, but the fresh flavors and outcome make for a great meal any time of day, especially if you want something quick but impressive. You can also work ahead the day before on the sauce, giving it a night to mature. And here you have a beautiful and delicious Shashuka. Please check out more at allstreetsgourmand.com. Please like and subscribe.